Hey guys, welcome to my YouTube channel. In this video we will discuss this pattern. This is bicep. Okay, so without wasting time, let's get start our coding. This is my previous video, so you have to watch this video. Okay, so take a new file. Is okay, so see here, number of row 2 4 6 7. Okay, 2 4 6 7. Okay, number of columns and number of rows are same. So for row in range of 7 and for column in range of 7. Okay, then we have to put some condition. If then okay, so see here what is required. If number of column or number of column is 0 0, then we want to print 1 1, then we want to print 2 2, then we want to print 3 3, then we want to print okay up to 3 we want to print. Okay, so if row is equals to column and column in range of column or row, column. Okay, we don't want to print here. Okay, so let's try column in range of 3. What is that? 0 1 2 and 3. Okay, so I hope it's right. It is 4. Okay, let's try to print this first. Print star, then n is equals to else we want to print space then print. Let's save this with any name. This is y actually. Okay, y is already saved. Okay, y. So let's try to run this first. I hope it will work. Yeah, perfectly. Then again we have to write code for this. Okay, this is 2 4 6 7, that is 6 column. Okay, 0 plus 6, that is 6. 1 plus 5, that is 6. 2 plus 4, that is 6. 3 plus 3, that is 6. Okay, so you also write one another condition. If column plus row is equals to 6 and we have to control this loop up to this. Okay, so from 6 to 6 5 4 3 2. Okay, so let's reverse the column in range of 6, 2. Okay, then we have also write -1 because we use reverse range. Okay, then or first we have to try to run this. I hope it will work. Yeah, perfectly. So for this 3 stars we have to write code. Okay, so this is 0 1 2 3, third column. Okay, third column, or column is equals to 3 and row in range of 0 1 2 3. Okay, start from 3 till 7, that is 6. Actually this is 6, but we have to go up to 7, that is not included in range. Okay, 0 1 2 3. Okay, start from 3 and end with 7, then we want to print. Okay, then save this and then run this. So guys, I hope you understand. If you learn something from this video, then guys please like, share and subscribe and press the bell icon. Thank you for watching this video. Thank you.